welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I have a guest here. Do you know the name? Italian? It's Trinity! And we are Beyond Sisters! Woo! And these are the only ones that we just opened from the Hello Neighbor video. You see? Mine are all pink and Trent is like purple, yeah, white, and pink. Baby pink. So guys, these are Orbeez Wowzer Pets. And they're really cool. Guys, we opened all of these on Trent's channel. If you haven't seen it, we'll put it right up here. It's time to open them. It's hard. I can't open it. Yeah. Try to open. Okay? It's serious. You need some help? No, I'm okay. Let's open the last ones. Get this one open. You got it. Open this. Guys, these are really hard to open, so you need somebody to help you. Now for the fun part. Wait, where did it go? Right here. Oh. So hard. Trin, come on. As fast as you can, Trin. Guys, next up, doo-doo. This one doesn't work. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Last one in. Alright, now it's time to open up. Wait, we need water. Yep, we need water. Now, next up, put the water in. Well, I'm going to use Trent to do this water, so let's get opening the lids. Trent, can you help? Yes. Just gotta pop the lids off and put them in a pile. This is how easy it is. Alright, let's get started. Guys, it's the ultra rare. Oh my gosh. Trent, you got the ultra rare.
Is it really?
Yes. Trent got the ultra rare. Look at everything.
Wow.
Bro, look at the tail. It has glitter.
Let me get close.
Oh my gosh, Trent. I'll show you. This is not even fun.
Not even fun. What are you kidding, girl?
It's really fun.
Let me see. Let me get up closer.
Are you kidding me? Yes! Yes! Everybody jump in to celebrate! Yay! Then we'll just have a better look. Ew! It's the rare. It's not the ultra rare, but it's the rare. Cool. It's amazing. We got the rare and the ultra rare. Very first thing we open. Oh, I hope you get another one. Oh, it's a puffer fish. Oh, kind of. Look at its tail. Yeah, it's weird. Its squish is really cool. Guys, I don't know what this one's gonna be. Whoopsie. It's okay, Trent. It's okay. Slowly, slowly. Wait, what is this? Cool, it's like a little twinkle fairy hamster. I don't know what that is. Guys, let's get going. Concentrate. Oh, that's cute. And very adorable. Cute. It's like a little tiger. A tiger, butterfly. Oh, her wings move. Guys, on to the next one. Here, Trin. I'm so excited for this one if it's the ultra rare.
Again. That'd be super cool.
No. No. This chicken is big compared to the little one. But when you take them out, they're super small. See? This one, it kind of looks like a purple fang.
It's pink, it looks like.
Oh, it's not. Oh, that's cute. On to the next one. But there's only like 3 more left. Careful. Oh, Trent, can I see it? Sure, can I see it?
Oh, it's a upside down chicken.
Are you kidding me?
It's a chicken. It's almost like this one right here. Cool.
Man, that one's like tepid. Guys, we will have 3 more left. Then after this one, there's gonna be 2. 2 to 2.
Woo, woo, woo.
What's this one? I'm excited. It's a mer puppy.
It is? It is. It's kind of like a little shaggy dog.
No, it's a mer.
Cool.
It's like a mermaid.
Yeah, this is so adorable.
Oh my gosh, that's a starter.
Oh
No, there's only one more. It's like an alicorn or a chicken.
This one is super cool.
I don't know what that is. A unicorn, chicken, Pegasus? I don't know what that is. We're gonna fill all these total Orbeez again and see you in a minute. We are almost to the cool part and you'll just take this off and you'll take it right there where I'm pointing, right by that thingy. You can pop them where you want. Oh, right. You can pop them wherever you want whenever you're going to a grocery store. Look. That's cool.
It's so cute.
Look at that. They can sit right here. I hope you like all these toys that we open and give your thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye. It's Orbeez.